Hello, good afternoon, Year 2. Welcome to your next geography lesson. Now, there are two tests that I'd like you to have a go at today, and they're both in your pack. Now, this one is similar to what you did in the first week, which was research an animal as part, linking to our science and linking to our learning challenge as well. But we're going to get a bit more specific today, and I would like you to use Kiddle or Purple Mash or Google with an adult and have a look at which animals you would find in Kenya. I want you to do a bit of research on Seesaw. You could do a video on your animal as well. And I'd like you to create this sheet, which is in your pack, and fill it out of your favourite Kenyan animal. So it tells you in each box what it wants you to put. So it wants you to draw a picture or print one off if you've got access to a printer. Think about what they would eat, habits that they do, so different things that they do, and their habitat, so where they live as well. So you've got 4 boxes to fill out and a picture. So your favourite Kenyan animal. And that's what's different about the task that you had last time. You're researching Kenyan animals this time, not just any animal. Okay? Now, for the main bit and the last bit of our geography for this half term, we're going to have a look at the difference in climate between Kenya and England. Now, we looked at lots to do with climate on our last super learning day that we caught up on year 1, and we did lots about the equator, the southern hemisphere and the northern hemisphere as well. So I'd like you to think back to our knowledge on that and have a look at what we've got here on the screen. Now, we've got the temperature in different months in England and Kenya. So we're going to be combining our math skills here and our geography skills, okay? And we're going to figure out the difference between the temperature. Now, have a think for a minute. What maths vocabulary is finding the difference? Is it addition, multiplication, division, or subtraction? So, finding the difference is subtraction. So you're going to take the largest number and you're going to subtract the smallest number and find the difference between the temperatures. Now, to give you a bit of a clue, this temperature here, 27 degrees, is very hot and it's like bikini weather. Whereas in January here at the minute, 5 degrees, it's about how cold it is at the moment when outside, okay? So there's a big difference between the climate, and we already know why this is because we've discussed this, and that's because Kenya is closer to the equator, isn't it? Then it wants you to have a think about which country is hotter. It wants you to have a look at which is the largest number here to find out which is the hottest month in Kenya, which is the coldest month in England. What's the difference in July? So having a look, taking the smallest number away from the largest number, finding the difference, and it wants you to fill it in here. What's the difference in temperature in December? And do you think children in Kenya need to wear winter clothes like us? And why or why not? Okay, so if you have a look at all of these temperatures here, if I give you a bit of clue, if it's higher than 20 degrees, it's usually like bikini or t-shirt weather, or shorts weather, swimming wear really. So have a think, would they really need to wear like hats, scarves and gloves and things like that? Okay, and then when you've done that, take a picture and send it on Seesaw. Thank you.